you in the kitchen in just a minute, but I wanted to show you this. I mentioned in my video for today that beginning in May we'll be doing some barbecue sides. And so I just wanted to share with you something I got yesterday from Amazon. This is called Smoke and Grill, and it's kind of nice. It's in a nice little pouch of its own. And it's a grill basket. And it is, I think it's zip tied together at the moment. Oh yeah. But anyway, let's see if I can get it undone. I just took it out of the box. There you go. And it comes with a mitt, a barbecue brush, another twisty tie, and this is the handle. Okay. And what I like about this one in particular, I've had these before and I haven't had one in a long time. This, I like it for vegetables because, you know, I love grilled asparagus, but you have to be careful or it falls down through the grate. But what I like about this one in particular is, you see how deep it is? I'd say it's a good 1.5 inches deep. Well, I'll tell you how deep it is. Why, it's 1.5 inches deep. And you can put things in there that you couldn't put in my other one because it was too narrow. I'm going to line this, maybe part of it, half of it, with chicken wings. So guess what? You have this closed down, cook that side of the chicken wings and flip the whole thing over at once. I'm looking forward to using that. And I'm sure we'll get plenty of opportunity. I know it's just beginning to get grill weather where a lot of you are from. And I'm just trying to figure out how that works. I will figure it out. Okay. So there you go. Anyway, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. I'll link it down below in the description if anybody's interested. And we'll meet again next month for some barbecue sides. If I can get the handle back out of there. There you go. All right. See you in a bit. Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen and another episode of Sunday Cook with me. Today we're going to be doing the last of our sheet pan meals and for the month of April, and we've had some fun ones, and I think you'll kind of enjoy this one too. And then next month we're going to move on and we're going to be looking at some side dishes for cookouts, barbecues, picnics, and so on. So I'm going to take you down to the counter. Let me just explain about this particular sheet pan dish. This is a dessert because we've done pancakes, we've done vegetables and meats, and so now it's time to do a dessert. Now, while you're busy making dinner, your kids could make this dessert. I'm telling you. So, you might want to get a piece of paper and a pencil to jot down all of the ingredients so you don't forget any. But I'll take you down to the counter and we'll show you how to make this sheet pan dessert. Be right back. Okay, we're down at the counter and here are the ingredients you will need. an angel food cake mix. Now this, you make sure you get the one that says just add water. We're not doing egg whites and all this other stuff. And along with that angel food cake mix, you want a can of crushed pineapple. And then along with that, I guess there isn't anything else. I mean, seriously, folks, it's this simple. And we're going to do it on my sheet pan, which I have something stuck to at the back here. Okay, so I'm going to just, thank you. My oven has preheated to 375. Okay, ingredient number 1. Now this is crushed pineapple in pineapple juice. And I like it when they give you the cans with the pull tab, if they work. And we're just going to dump that in. Now you don't even need a mixer to do this. I'm going to use one just because I have it here. I really could do it with a spoon, but the kids like to use the mixer, you know. So we're just going to take this and we're going to mix it up. Let me just get a spatula and go around the edge. Don't go away. That's it, folks. You don't have to grease the pan. If you wanted to take the whole thing out, you could put foil that comes up over the edge. But I'm going to serve it right from the pan, so I have a little on the counter here. I want to move this down so you can see better, but get that off the counter. Now, I don't think this will come up over the pan. However, I'm going to put a piece of foil underneath it, just in case. How easy was that, folks? How easy was that? Now let me just get the foil in the oven, and I'll put the pan of cake in the oven. And want to cook it, it says 30 to 35 minutes. I'm going to start checking it at around 25 just to make sure, because with a flat pan it may not take quite as long. So I will be back when we take this out of the oven, and we'll see what our angel food sheet pan cake is like. Back in a bit. Okay, so there you go here. And there you go. I just made it. It started to kind of get a little over the edge, but it didn't go off the edge. Let me just show you how I'm going to serve it. You can see a piece is missing. This is how I'm going to serve it. There's some fresh strawberries and whipped cream. Isn't that good? Look at the nice color in there. Now you could, I made 12 pieces. They're 12 good-sized pieces. You could actually cut this in half and then kind of sandwich the strawberries and cream in between. Now, I know this is going to be a hardship, but I'll give it a taste test. And let's just see how good this is. First, I'll take a little piece without anything so we can just get the cake. Mmm. Delicious. Delicious with that pineapple. I'm going to save mine because I can only have one slice a day. So I'll give this to somebody. I don't know who. I wonder if there's anybody here who'd like a piece. Anyway, give it a try. How easy, how easy, how easy. And how good. So I hope you all give this a try. Have a great afternoon. And I'll see you again Tuesday when it's craft day. I think we'll be doing a fused petal wreath this Tuesday. So make sure you stop in, check it out. By the way, this cooked exactly 26 minutes in that pan. So I will see you on Tuesday, and until then, everybody play nice now. Love ya. Bye-bye.